Ginger juice is a great way to get ginger into your diet. It has many health benefits such as improving circulation, relieving stomach pain, and fighting nausea. The ginger plant also contains gingerols which have been shown in studies to aid weight loss efforts. Ginger juice can be consumed straight up or mixed with other fruit juices like apple or orange for added flavor. 5 benefits of ginger juice. 1. Improves circulation. A ginger juice drink can increase blood flow to the heart, and it's an excellent way for people who are at risk of developing osteoporosis. 2. Reduces pain. Ginger juice is very effective at reducing pain in the stomach. It contains gingerols which have been shown to work, as well as ibuprofen for relieving muscle and joint pain during and after workouts. 3. Combats nausea. Ginger juice is a great way to stop the feelings of queasiness. It's been shown to work as well or even better than ginger tablets in study. 4. Helps with weight loss. Gingerols in ginger juice have been shown to increase the mitochondrial function, which makes it easier for your body to process sugar and lose weight. 5. Helps with energy. Ginger juice is an excellent source of natural gingerols which boost your energy levels. Conclusion: ginger juice is a great way to improve your health and fight off common illnesses.